Assalamu alaikum. This is Rahat from Rahat Academy. So this is the very first video of my C++ course. In this video I'll download and install the dev C++ IDE, and after that I'll write a simple C++ hello world program to check whether the IDE we have downloaded is working or not. So open your browser. So I'm using the Chrome browser to download the dev C++ IDE, but you can use your favorite browser to follow this video. So after opening your browser, you just go ahead and write dev C++ in the search bar and then hit enter. So there are many websites from which you can download your dev C++ IDE, like the sourceforge.net and bloodsheet.net, then the file hippo and the file horse. So there are many websites from which you can download this IDE, but for now I'll download it from the sourceforge.net. So I'll click on this link. So in this page I'll click on the download, and after that let's see what happens then. So in this page it's saying that your download will start shortly. So wait for the countdown, and after that your download will be started. So the size of this file is 48 megabytes. I'll just click on the start download button with my IDM to download it. So as you can see, the IDM is downloading my file. My internet speed is good, so it's taking 1 minute to download this file. So let's wait for the download process, and after that we will install this program. So the file has been downloaded. So my file download location as downloads, then programs, then inside the programs folder our downloaded IDE is saved. So I can find this file in my downloads folder, or I can click on the open folder to get to that file. So this is my downloaded dev C++ IDE with the latest version of 5.11. So let's go ahead and install it. So I'll double click on my file, and as you can see the unpacking of data has been started. So here you can select your own language, but I'll install it with the English language, and I click on OK. Here you can read this agreement if you want to. I'll just click on I agree and I'll move to the next step and click next. So the default installation location for this file is C, then program files, and then dev C++ folder. Inside it you can choose other destinations. If you want to, just click on browse, and here you can select other destinations to install the dev C++ IDE. I'm installing it on the default location, which is C programs and dev C++ folder. So the space required for this file is 346 megabytes. So make sure you have enough storage to install this file. After that, click on install. So as you can see, our installation process has been started. What you need to do is be patient and wait for it until it has been installed. So it's saying the dev C++ 5.11 has been installed. I'll click on finish. So here you can select your language. I'll use the English language, which is by default selected. So I'll click on next. So here you can change your fonts, colors and icons. I'll just click on next. So it's saying that dev C++ has been configured successfully. So I'll click on OK. So this is our dev C++ IDE. Let's open a new file to write some code in it, and after that I'll compile and run it to check whether the IDE is working or not. I can open a new file by pressing Ctrl plus N. I can go to file, then new, and inside new I can click on source file to open a new file. So let me increase the size of editor so that you will be able to see it clearly. So let's write a hello world program. So I have written a hello world program. I'll explain it in the next video in detail. But for now, let's save it and then compile and run it. So to save it, go to File, then click on Save, and here select the location in which you want to save it. I will save it on the desktop. I can name it like test for now, and I'll just click on Save. And as you can see, my file is saved with test.cpp. So now it's time to compile this file. You can click F9 key to compile it, or you can click on this icon to compile this file. So the process of compilation has started. So zero warnings and zero errors, which means that our program has compiled successfully. Now let's run the file to check the output. So the hello world message is printed on this black screen. So it means that our IDE is working correctly. So from the next video, I'm going to explain this simple hello world program, and after that I will go ahead and continue the course to high level. So if you want to learn C++, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in the next video.